Yeah guys, me and Yams here, we're about to do some work on this boat real quick. But while I'm here guys, why not? Yeah guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing, welcome back to the channel. What's up guys? Gonna work our paddle tails today. See what's up. I was here last night, didn't pick up much guys. Give it a shot today on the paddle tail. See what we can pick up here guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, Jamaican Lure Fishing guys. We are out here guys, first cast guys. That's what's up. Woo, long jaw chasing. He hit it, but he didn't hit it good enough. Let's get it out there guys. I said stick to the evil that you know, right guys? See, I'm a twitch bait guy. Alright guys, we're gonna move down the line. Couple of casts here. No such luck. We're gonna move guys. See what we can pick up here. Got your attention now. Ooh, you're a double. Ah, gotcha. Got a wind knot, guys. Not good. Hate that shit, but it is what it is. Alright, let's go. Not doing good here. Let's switch up. That tail's alright. Oh, where the rock's going this way. Here guys, came out late this morning. Trying to get this video in, but I actually came out real late this morning guys. Didn't get a good run this morning at all. But let's get out there and see what we can pick up. You know it's already a Jamaican Shore Fishing guys, we never quit. That's what's up. Yeah, got long jaws jumping around in the water guys. Not much on the cast. Let's get out there again. Woo! Hot doggy. What? Hey guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing guys. Scanning this water, but I don't think I'm getting the visibility from this lure that I want guys. Almost hit that bird. Nothing here guys. Soft plastic so far. We're gonna work the soft plastic going down and work the hard plastic coming back. There's shore fishing. We on the hunt this morning. Not getting good results on this paddle tail so far guys. I'm gonna switch up. I'm gonna get this paddle tail off here and get myself high vis lure on here and get this thing put back in the box real quick and get something else on there guys. I've been traveling all the way from down there to the other side of the rocks and not getting the results that I want guys. Yeah, go with that gold one that I was using the other day. Let this bad boy out there this morning. Let's see what we can pick up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Sorry about blocking the camera for a sec. Had to get my next lure out. Go with this gold lure, it's been hit from the other day. Has a little silver on this little blue one right here with a little shag tail. Let's work with that. Let's see what's going on. Alright, guys. Nothing on the twitch yet, guys. It's working our way this way, guys. You know how we do it. We cover area. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Hunting, guys. I don't like the way this lure is swimming. It's not giving me the energy that I want. I'm gonna switch it up and go back to that gold color that I was using before. Yep, Goldilocks. It was giving me a lot better vibes the other day on the barras and on jackfish. Nevertheless, weird, but let's work with it. All right, we'll go one more rock and get this cast out, guys. Sun's coming up. Sun's coming up, which should give me an even better vibe on this rod. Let's see what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Come on, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. This is giving me a definite better swimmer. A load of small chases, guys. Not yet. Just working, guys. Working this lure all the way in, guys. See what we can pick up. If there's something here, we'll grab on. Alright, nothing there. We're just working these rocks all the way up, guys. See what we can pick up. Jamaican shore fishing. Hoping one of those big monsters will just grab onto this right now. Give me a nice catch today, guys. That'll be nice. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, guys. Pretty deep back here. Ooh, that didn't feel good. I tell you guys this all the time, guys. Timing is everything when it comes to fishing. Fish on, guys. Got him. Woo! Fish on. Leatherback. Haha. Look at this, guys. Jamaica shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Want him? I'm gonna throw him back, guys. I'm not gonna keep this, guys. Let me get my tool out. Leatherback has this thing in their back, guys. If they bite you, if they stick you, it hurts real bad. So let's get him out. Let's get him unhooked. There. Calm down, buddy. I'm not trying to grab that hook with my hands now. Yeah. Me not try to get juked today, cause you have some little sharp sitting in the back, you know, juke you had you whole day long, you know. Here guys, so slapping my gloves on so I can grab them real quick without getting stuck. Oh, come on, stupid fish. There you go. Coming over with. Here guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Tell me what species there is. We call them leatherback in Jamaica, but they taste horrible. I hate the way they taste. So we're gonna throw this guy back. We'll get him back in the water. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here guys. Hold on.